The reverse water system is an assembly of various filters, membrane, and media designed to remove undesirable impurities from water. A properly designed reverse osmosis water system is capable of producing pure water that is up to 99.9% free of impurities. Reverse water systems are available for household use and installed either below the sink or on the countertop. Impurities removed by a reverse osmosis water system include most bacteria and toxic chemicals. Since there are no impurities remaining in the water, it contains no offensive taste or odor. That means that food and drink prepared with a reverse osmosis water taste better. Reverse osmosis water costs about half the cost of bottled water, and because the homeowner controls the purification process, it's safer than bottled water. The reverse osmosis process was perfected by the U.S. Navy to convert seawater into potable water aboard ships. The reverse osmosis process is very safe and used by most bottled water companies. Reverse osmosis occurs when the water to be purified is forced through a semi-permeable membrane. The semi-permeable membrane contains pores that are so small that only water molecules can pass through. The impurities are trapped on the surface of the semi-permeable membrane, and only a portion of the water to be purified travels through the membrane. The rest of the water washes the impurities from the surface of the semi-permeable membrane into a waste drain. Even though the reverse osmosis semi-permeable membrane is capable of removing most impurities from water, the membrane is always used in a system of various filters and media. Some impurities, such as chlorine, which is found in city water, will attack and damage the semi-permeable membrane, so the chlorine must be removed before the water contacts the membrane. The other filters and media found in a reverse osmosis water system remove the bulk of the impurities from the water to prevent overloading the semi-permeable membrane, thus allowing it to remove the smallest dissolved impurities. Reverse osmosis water systems are identified by the number of stages of purification in the system. Each stage of purification represents a filter, membrane, or medium. The most basic reverse osmosis water system, and the least effective at purifying water according to laboratory testing, is a three-stage system. The system includes a pre-filter, reverse osmosis semi-permeable membrane, and a post-filter. It is intended that the pre-filter will remove a portion of the larger impurities, such as sand, sediment, and silt. It is also expected to remove enough chlorine from the water to minimize damage to the reverse osmosis permeable membrane. The post-filter gives the purified water a final polish. Unfortunately, this setup leaves most of the purification to the reverse osmosis semi-permeable membrane, which can quickly become overloaded with impurities. When this happens, contaminated water can be forced to leak through the seals around the semi-permeable membrane. Better quality reverse osmosis systems include more than the basic three stages. For instance, the Crystal Quest Thunder Reverse Osmosis Ultrafiltration System is available with up to 17 stages of purification. These additional stages remove the majority of impurities from the water before it contacts the semi-permeable membrane. This enables the membrane to remove the maximum amount of residual impurities from the water without overloading the semi-permeable membrane with coarser contaminants. Here's how the Crystal Quest 17-stage reverse osmosis system works. The first 8 stages, stages 1 through 8, contain sediment filters, a solid carbon cartridge, a granulated activated carbon cartridge, an ion exchange resin, an oxidation reduction medium, and an ultrafiltration semi-permeable membrane. These stages remove large quantities of most known contaminants from the incoming water before it comes in contact with the reverse osmosis semi-permeable membrane in stage 9. Stages 10 through 15 contain purification media that's nearly identical to stages 1 through 8 to ensure the purest water possible. Stage 16 is an optional ultraviolet water sterilization system. that kills and minimizes bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Stage 17 is a final ultrafiltration membrane that guarantees the maximum removal of colloids, proteins, bacteria, viruses, parasites, protozoans, pyrogens, and other organic molecules. As you can see, the 17th stage reverse osmosis system offers far greater contaminant removal capability than the basic 3-stage system. In summary, reverse osmosis water systems use reverse osmosis along with other purification filters and media to remove up to 99.9% of all known impurities from water. These impurities range from cancer-causing chemicals to living microorganisms such as viruses and bacteria. Reverse osmosis is a safe technology that was perfected by the U.S. Navy and is now used aboard ships to provide fresh water as well as major bottled water companies. Less expensive, basic reverse osmosis water systems are not as effective in removing impurities from water as systems offering far more stages of purification. Reverse osmosis water systems are available for home use. They can be used on the countertop or installed under a sink. Crystal Quest Thunder Reverse Osmosis ultrafiltration systems are among the most advanced reverse osmosis water systems available. Ranging from 12 to 17 stages of purification, you will find a reverse osmosis water system that's right for you. Visit www.reverseosmosistechnologies.com now and see the most advanced reverse osmosis systems available.